Okay, there weren't many transformation questions on this Regents, the June 2016, but number 32 was one of them. It said f of x is graphed. Some people panicked because they've never seen something like that, but you didn't have to worry about that. And it says also g of x is graphed, the result of a translation. Translation is a slide. Determine an equation of g of x and explain your reasoning. So first, even if you don't understand or remember what a translation is, it's not talking about a language translation, it's a slide. So literally if I pick up f of x and slide it up or down or left or right, just by seeing visually what happened. What happened to the graph? It slid down 4 units. How do we represent something going down 4 units? We simply subtract 4 from whatever the function rule is. So g of x is f of x minus 4 outside of the function rule. So since f of x is just x cubed plus 2x squared, our rule for g of x is just going to be this. And again, it went down 4 units. I'm subtracting 4 outside of the function rule. It would be a lot more complicated if we had a horizontal translation here. That would be like IHOP type stuff, but that gets a little complicated with the way f of x looked originally. Okay, vertical translation, moving up or down. We add or subtract outside of the function rule. In this case, we went down, so we subtracted 4. Just be careful with actually writing what f of x is, which we see on our second line there. That got you 2 out of 2 points for number 32.